If you are a person who wants to awaken your Kundalini energy, I am going to now give you a little exercise to help you awaken or activate your Kundalini energy in a safe way, in a gentle way. So we want to start with small increments. It's like getting into a river of consciousness. So if you jump right into this river of flow of consciousness through the body, it can be way too much for the psyche to handle, the ego. So best we do it slow in a safe way. It's like wading into a river gently. So you're starting to allow this flow of consciousness to gently start trickling through your system. Right. Now I'm going to give you an exercise, and I'm also going to feel into this stream of consciousness with you to help activate the field, to assist you. Right. Now, the key, the absolute key to Kundalini awakening is feeling the body. Always saying, how much can I feel? Just on a very simple, plain, childlike, physical level. So you can do this little exercise with me. We're going to start with your arm. So open up your arm so there's exposed skin. We're going to work on this tender part of the arm where the skin is very tender and can feel a lot. Right. So I want to invite you to gently stroke your skin and become aware of the sensation. Now, really place your focus on how much you can feel. How much can I feel? How much can I feel? How much can I make myself available to the sensation? Relax, breathe, and now you feel that there is an opening, making yourself available to more sensation. That's it. Going a little deeper, amplifying the sense of feeling, stroking upwards, stroking upwards, stroking upwards. How much can I feel? How much can I feel? Now you can do this on your own as well after the video, but I'm going to continue doing this with you. Breathe, relax. Breathe, relax. Even notice when there is that resistance to feel more, to feel more. Open yourself more and more and more to the sensation. How much can I feel? How much can I feel? How much can we feel? How much can we feel? Allow the feeling in your arm, in your arm, in your arm, in your arm, in your arm. Amplify, amplify, amplifying your arm, amplify the awareness, the sensation. Now, you might find that this sensation starts shooting up your body, out the top of your head. It's a very blissful sensation. So now we've safely activated some flow. I want to show you what you can do with this awareness. It's not always going up. We need to balance. Okay? So now we're going to stroke down. Sense again. Sense in your arm. In your arm. If you feel shaking, allow that to happen. Shaking through the body. Put your focus on your arm. Put your focus on your arm. How much can I feel? 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 Woo. Oh, I'm feeling strong sensations down my spine, down my legs, all the way to my feet. Whew. Yo. So we can circulate this awareness up the body. Start by putting your focus on your arm. How much can I feel? Just like a child, like a child. Just feel, feel, feel the body. Feel the body, feel the body. How much can I feel? We're going to stroke up off the top of your head. Okay, put your focus on your arm again. Put your focus on your arm again. On your arm. How much can I feel? Feel yourself opening, softening in the arm, allowing more sensation, allowing more sensation, allowing more sensation, more sensation. Release your breath if you feel the pulse going through. Right. Now we're going to go down again. Put your focus on the visceral, physical feeling of the arm. Just go, it's so simple, so simple, so simple. How much can I feel in my arm? Stroking down, stroking down. You are doing very well. Stroking down. Feel the flow in your arm. Feel the flow. Open to the flow in your arm. Open to the flow. Like a river flowing through your arm. Like a river flowing through your arm. More focus on the sensation. And then it pulses down. So this is a very good meditation to remind you how much we can activate the sensation in the body, and this sensation then touches onto this inner awareness, the awareness of pure consciousness that flows through the body. But we're doing it slowly. We're not blasting your body in one go. It's too much for the consciousness if we go too quick. Remember, when you feel the shakes, you can allow them, but you can also feel like you breathe, letting off steam out the top of your head or letting steam out the tips of your toes. Now, why are we doing this? Why are we activating so much sensation? Why are we activating the flow of the river of consciousness through our bodies? It is a massive blessing for us to live in this way. And that's the practice. In our meditation, we remind ourselves how much we can feel, how much we can bring our awareness to the inner life, river of life, universal river of life flowing through us. It's a very blissful state. It's also a very present state. It just brings you right into presence. Good. So in the meditation and also in lovemaking, remember that we can use our lovemaking in a very conscious way, reminding us how much we can feel through the whole body. So meditation and lovemaking. We remember how much we can feel the flow of the universal consciousness, this river of life flowing through us. Then, the reason why we are doing this is so that this river can flow into our lives and bless us and align us into presence, right? So remember how much we can feel in this meditation. Remember that feeling, that sensation in your body. Now, start practicing in your walking daily life. In little increments, like when you are washing the dishes, just for a moment, that internal awareness, how much can I feel? And have that river of presence in you. When you are waiting somewhere, you're sitting still for a moment. Oh yes, let me remember how much I can feel. Bringing myself into presence, into this magnificent buzzing sensation inside the body that brings us into presence and into alignment. And you practice bringing this into your life. So when you're sitting there waiting, you tune in. Then see how long you can maintain it. When you travel somewhere, before you get out your car, out the public transport, out the Uber, while you're still in your transport, you use that time of sitting still to, what does that feeling feel like with the universal consciousness river flowing through me, bringing me into presence? Now, when I get out of my car, out of the transport, and I walk into life, how much can I bring this beautiful presence through my body and into my life and doing? Now, another tip that I want to give you is we often do our meditation in our bedrooms or our lounges or like indoors. The river of life force is very strong in nature. It's very pure. It's very present in nature. Like when you do these meditations in nature, they tend to be easier. I want to say more powerful. That's always powerful. They tend to be easier. It tends to be easier to tap into this river of consciousness through the body in nature. So I want to encourage you to do this meditation, this one with the arm. How much can I feel? This one going up and down. Do this one in nature to help you align to this pure consciousness flowing through you. Remembering that we are source. We are source. We are source. Like source is flowing through our bodies. We're not really our bodies. We're actually source, just having a time in our bodies. But then we remember that we are in fact this flow of consciousness. And the more we like go back to our source, the more we align to our sense of wholeness. Whew. I want to invite you to ask me questions about this practice. It really helps me when you ask questions because then my videos can be more directed specifically towards guiding you deeper into this awareness. Okay, thank you so much and I love you deeply.